Hello, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. My name's Janae. Today's video is going to be a home decor haul. I feel like I haven't filmed a decor haul in quite some time, so I've been collecting things for quite a while. This is going to be a little bit of a lengthier haul than normal, so get comfortable, grab some coffee, grab a glass of wine, whatever it is you need, just relax. I have so many fun, beautiful new things to share with you all. Most of it is going to be for spring, summer, but obviously you can use home decor all year round if you like. A lot of these items I do plan to keep in my home and keep out all year round. So everything that I share with you, of course, whatever I can link, I will have down below in the description box if you're interested in anything that I showed today. But I don't want to ramble too much, so let's just jump right on into the video. I'm going to start off with HomeGoods because I think majority of the items I have today are from HomeGoods. They're so good right now. They have so much stuff for indoor, outdoor, they have everything. So the stuff that I picked up recently is for my outdoor space. We're gonna kind of just refresh the outdoor area, make it feel a little bit more summery, springy. So I picked up this bowl and I just really loved the pattern and the color of it. It's just this little 3-tiered bowl. This was only $7.99 and I just think it's something that can look really cute sitting out on my table. Can put fruit, nuts, snacks, chip salsa, whatever. But I just really like the design of it, and it's plastic, which is nice, so that way my kids can't break it. But this was the first thing I grabbed for my outdoor space. Sticking to that blue kind of theme, I picked up these blue pillows. Came in a set of 2. These are like a block print style, and I really liked that they had the ruffle detail around the edges, and I just again love this color blue. I love the cream and the blue together. I think it's such a beautiful color combo. I will list all the item numbers down below, so that way if you guys go to your store and you like them, you can try to shop, because obviously I can't link HomeGoods. But these ones were really, really pretty, and the best part about these is that the insert of them is really nice. Like, they're very comfortable, not stiff, so I think these are gonna look really good. The last thing I grabbed for my outdoor space is this very large wicker tray. And I have several of these that I use inside my house, but I don't have one that is shaped quite like this. And I just love how large it is and just love the shape of it. It's very unique to me. It does have the handle detail and it's very solid and secure, so things are not going to wobble around on it. I thought it'd be really pretty to have this on my table and then just style the blue on it with maybe like a little plant, some water, some cups. I just don't think you can go wrong with these trays. They're amazing. HomeGoods, I think, does the best, and they are the most affordable there. I picked up some coffee table books. The first one is the Designer Within. This one was $24.99. I grabbed this one mainly because I love the color of the actual book with the cover off of it. It's like a really pretty kind of charcoal grayish black. I don't have anything quite like this, and I think the simplicity of this and the color of it will be really nice to style with other books that I have. I also picked up this very large coffee table book. It is very heavy as well, but this is the John Derian book. I love this so much. I first saw it, did not pick it up, and then had to go back and get it because it's just such a cool looking book. I've already styled it on my coffee table and I absolutely love the way it looks. It's unlike anything that I have. This one was a little bit pricier. I'll have the price listed down below, but this was a little bit more of an expensive book, obviously, because it's very large and substantial, but I think it's worth it. I think it's so cool. I also grabbed 2 risers from HomeGoods. The first one is this marble checkered riser, and I love the color of this. Anything checkered I'm really drawn to, but I also love that this one's a little bit more low profile, and I like that the legs are marble as well, because a lot of the times on these you'll find that like the legs are like gold or wood, but I like that it's all one marble solid piece, and I just think this one's so pretty. It was $14.99 and this is very heavy. The other one I picked up is a wood riser, and this one is pretty large. This is much bigger than any risers that I currently have, but I love the color. I don't have anything like this. Just kind of like the overall shape and detail of it. I feel like it looks much more expensive than it was, and I'm excited. I think I'm gonna style this probably in my kitchen, and this one was $19.99. The last thing I picked up from HomeGoods is a rechargeable lamp. And when I saw this, I just thought it was so cute. I love that this shade is more of that cream color. I love the simplicity of it. It's very thin and sleek, really easy to style. It's a great size. I'm probably gonna put this on my coffee bar because there's not a lot of space up there, and I feel like a lamp like this just doesn't overcrowd it. So this one was really cute, and it is only $19.99. All right, next I'm gonna show you some items that I recently picked up from Target. And the first thing is this adorable rechargeable lamp. This is from the Hearth and Hand collection. I love this. I am so in love with this. I love the brass detail. It's got that woven shade. It's a great size. It's definitely like more of a mini. I think I'm gonna style this on my coffee table, but I could not pass this one up. I loved it so much. Also from Target, I picked up this beautiful pillow. I got 2 of them actually. I love the design of this. It's so beautiful. Love the color. It's got that really pretty trimming. Now I will say the only downside to this is it doesn't have a zipper. I wish it did because I would put a better insert in it because the insert is very basic, but I still couldn't pass it up. I just think it's so pretty. And like I said, I picked up 2 of these. I was at Crate & Barrel the other day and I spotted this beautiful picture and I just could not leave the store without it. It's so stunning. It's got this like bubble detail on it. Love the shape of it. I will be using this all summer long. I cannot wait to style it outside. I just think it's gonna look so pretty with like some water and some lemons in it. It's just such a statement piece. I did recently go into Bath & Body Works. Haven't been in there in a very, very long time. I'm not really sure why. I just don't really stop in there very often, but I stopped in there the other day and I picked up this really pretty yellow candle. I just loved the shade of the yellow on it. It is a 3-wick candle. It smells so good. It is toasted pistachio, shea butter, and whipped vanilla musk. And it just says pistachio, milk, and honey on it, but I just think it's so pretty. Moving on to Etsy, I have one item from Etsy and it is some snowball stems. It is these beautiful green and white snowball stems. Now you can purchase them in either green, if you want to just do the solid green, or you can do like the creamy white. But the seller actually reached out to me and gifted these to me, and this was her suggestion to blend them together, which I really love. I purchased her more like rust orange color ones, and I've shared those many times on my channel. They are one of my absolute favorite stems. And because they sold so well, she asked if I wanted to show some of her spring stems, and I happily accepted because the quality of her stuff is incredible. So I've been using these since I got them for weeks now, and they just style perfectly in any space. Amazing quality, so I highly recommend them. I picked up 2 frames from Amazon because I am currently in the process of redoing my current gallery wall in my kitchen nook area. So I feel like Amazon has really great frames at affordable prices, and there's so much to choose from. So the first one I grabbed is this little round frame, and I love the vintage inspired look of it. Love it for the size. I like how small it is. I actually think I'm gonna pick up another one because I wasn't sure what it was gonna look like, but I am very happy with it. Next one is this oval frame. This is so pretty. Love the size of this one, the shape, and I mainly got it because I love the color of it. I don't know if you can see it, but it's more of like a forest green, and then it's got the gold trim. Super cool. The last items are from McGee Co, and the first thing are these set of bowls. I've been eyeing these for so long and just never pulled the trigger, and I finally ordered them and I could not be happier. They are stunning. So it comes in a set of 2. This is the smaller one and this is the larger one. This is very big, so you can definitely just like style this on a kitchen island or in your kitchen countertop, and it will fit quite a bit in it. But I just think these are so beautiful and so unique. Try to quietly put them together so you can see, but I absolutely love them. The next item from McGee & Co is a butter dish. It is this beautiful cream and blue butter dish. This is stunning. I love everything about it. I don't have anything like this. Again, with that blue and cream combination, it's just so beautiful. and it's one of those pieces you can just style right on your kitchen countertop, and it's gonna add so much character to it. So I'm really happy with this one. All right, and the last item is this. This is like a bookmark. It's like a weighted metal bookmark. This is also from McGee & Co, and this is just so cool. I love the tone of the brass. You can style this directly on top of a book, which would look really good, or you can use it for its intended purpose to use as like an actual bookmark, but it's just so different and unique. Okay, that is a wrap on today's video. I hope that you all enjoyed this haul. If you did, please don't forget to give me a like and subscribe. Let me know down in the comments what some of your favorite items were. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.